It is Subramaniam Swamy's plea to examine two witnesses who are crucial to prove Home Minister B. Chidambaram's culpability in the 2G spectrum scam. Swamy had demanded that he should be allowed to examine these two officials, one from the CBI and the other from the Ministry of Finance. Swamy had claimed that he has proved that the then Finance Minister P. Chidambaram and former Telecom Minister A. Raja acted together in collusion with each other in fixing the 2G spectrum prices.
Would pass orders whether they need to be called at all. In other words, if he thinks that I have made the case fully and we can go to the next step of issuing a summons for Mr. Chidambaram, then he may not feel it necessary to invite these two witnesses.
So what is going to happen on 17th of December?
17th of December, I will enter the witness box and examine myself.
सर हिंदी में अब सर क्या कितनी बड़ी जीत है इससे क्या
ये जीत हार का सवाल नहीं है, ये सवाल है कि क्या हम आगे बढ़े हैं और आगे इस प्रकार से बढ़े हैं कि न्यायाधीश ने कहा पहले कि आपका पिटीशन को अलाउ करते हैं, जो पिटीशन मैंने विटनेस बुलाने की बात की, परंतु उन्होंने एक कंडीशन डाली उसमें कि पहले आप आएंगे और आप अपना सारा केस रखेंगे और इन दो विटनेसेस को बुलाने की क्या जरूरत है वो भी बताएंगे।
कौन कौन से दो विटनेसेस?
सीबीआई के एक अधिकारी और फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री के एक अधिकारी। और यदि वो उस समय आप मेरा बयान सुनने के बाद ये समझते हैं कि इस केस को आगे बढ़ने के लिए उन दोनों को बुलाने की आवश्यकता है तो फिर वो बुलाएगी, वरना हम आगे जाएंगे। आगे माने मैं फिर पिटीशन, मेरा दूसरा पिटीशन पड़ा हुआ है कि चिदम्बरम के नाम पर समन्स इश्यू की जाए, ये और 17 तारीख को मैं पेश होऊंगा, क्योंकि वो शनिवार वो उस दिन कोर्ट में कहते हैं ये भीड़ नहीं होगी और इसीलिए आप उस दिन आइए। नेचुरली बढ़ गई, क्योंकि अभी पहले तो लंबा चलता, विटनेस को बुलाओ, उनका सुविधा देखो। यदि जज उस दिन तय कर लें कि मेरे बयान काफी है और इन विटनेस अनिवार्य नहीं है, तो फिर तो हम उसी दिन 17 तारीख को ही बढ़ सकते हैं।
तो वो आगे की कार्रवाई क्या बढ़ेगी?
आगे की कार्रवाई होगी कि मेरा जो दूसरा पिटीशन पड़ा हुआ है एप्लीकेशन कि चिदम्बरम के नाम पर समन्स या वारंट जारी की जाए।
पिछली सुनवाई के दौरान आपने कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट रखे थे, लेकिन अब गवाहों को बुलाने की बात हो रही है, तो क्या
वो मेरे बयान सुनने के बाद, शपथ लेकर जो मैं बयान देता हूं उसको सुनने के बाद यदि न्यायाधीश समझेंगे कि इनको बुलाना अनिवार्य है तभी बुलाए जाएंगे, वरना हम आगे जाएंगे। Now I don't look at it as victory defeat. I think this country, it's a question of country's victory or defeat. I am very pleased today because the judge began his order by saying I am allowing your application. Then he said, but you will have to appear on the witness box first and explain the case, why you want to have Mr. Chidambaram summoned, and in the process, if I feel that you have made a case that these two witnesses are essential, then I will summon them. Otherwise, we'll go straight to my petition. I am pleased with it because it allows me to shorten the time frame to conduct this case.
सर, अगर गवाहों को बुलाया जाता है, जज ऐसा समझते हैं, तो उसके बाद प्रक्रिया कैसे आगे बढ़ेगी?
तो फिर डेट मुझे दस्ती दे देंगे, वो कहेंगे कि जाके इनको समन्स दे दो और उनको बुला लो।
सर, इसके साथ ही में अगर पिछली सुनवाई को देखते हैं, आपने उनको डॉक्यूमेंट रखे थे, मीटिंग का ब्यौरा दिया था, आज गवाहों को बुलाने की अनुमति मिल गई, यानी एक कदम
नहीं। गवाह बुलाने के लिए अनिवार्य है क्या नहीं, ये मेरे बयान सुनने के बाद तय होगा।
So what does it mean for Chidambaram?
It means that the process of issuing summons in his name has been shortened.
Sir, do you have more documents and evidence?
I always have more documents and evidence, but why should I clutter it up?
अगर एक बार आप नाम बता दें जिन दो लोगों को आप एग्जामिन करेंगे।
मैंने एक मिस्टर अवस्थी हैं जो जॉइंट डायरेक्टर सीबीआई हैं, उनको बुलाने के लिए कहा था, और दूसरा मिस खुल्लर जो फाइनेंस मिनिस्ट्री में थी,
पूरा नाम उनका
मिस एस खुल्लर, सिंधु श्री खुल्लर, आजकल वो स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्ट्री में हैं और यदि उनको बुलाना अनिवार्य है मेरे बयान सुनने के बाद तभी बुलाए जाएंगे, वरना हम सीधा जाएंगे चिदम्बरम के नाम पर समन्स इश्यू होना है कि नहीं। The Home Minister is shameless. He will not resign unless he kicked out.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
And over the phone line with us, we have Mr. Atul Anjan. Sir, what's your first reaction to this news coming in where the CBI court has admitted Subramaniam Swamy's plea to examine the two witnesses? More trouble for Home Minister there?
I think now many things are coming up very clearly, and the CBI court has also given the direction. And Mr. Subramaniam Swamy's plea is on the ground, and that is quite understandable. So the involvement of Mr. Chidambaram is now around the corner, that it is one by one layer after another layer. It is being now clearly indications are there. It is now been clearly indicated that his involvement is very much there in the whole process of 2G, and he cannot, you see, say that his involvement was not there, and he doesn't know the many facts which are, you see, unearthed. So I feel that Mr. Swamy's plea has many grounds, and the matter is and one by one the pleas of Mr. Subramaniam Swamy is being accepted by the court, and court must have found certain grounds, then only being accepted. And so I think today or tomorrow Mr. Chidambaram will be forced to come into dock, and he has to narrate many things. These things, and I think the whole the country thinks and the political process understands. I don't know why the Prime Minister is very much sticking his position. He may be thinking that if I say Mr. Chidambaram to go, that will all further complicate the issue. So
Mr. Anjan, in fact, I'd like to ask you that will your party be demanding Home Minister P. Chidambaram's resignation on this count?
Yes. So I am saying is that the Prime Minister may be thinking that if he drops the Chidambaram from his ministry, then he may be more answerable. He is buying the time in the process of the court. Whatever if and but will be there, but Mr. Chidambaram will continue. Mr. Chidambaram is a fellow who knows many things, and he is the one trusted hand of Manmohan Singh, apart from the Congress party. Individual capacity since last 14-15 years, they are moving together because they share the same ideas, they share the same connection, they share the same background, and they also are being directed.
Mr. Anjan, before we wrap up, as we're running out of time, sir, I'd just like to ask you a very crisp, direct question. Will CPI be asking for P. Chidambaram's resignation?
I think in this situation, very earlier we have said that his involvement has been indicated, and he is now a questionable personality, and a questionable personality cannot lead a very important ministry, and that also a Home Minister. Home Minister should be very clear. If the Prime Minister says he is very clear and honest man, his colleagues should also be clear. And I think a person which has been, you see, almost encircled by all sorts of the queries and questions and doubts, he should continue.
So I'd in fact request you to, thank you very much. I'd like to thank you for joining us there with your point. Your point indeed is taken. We're running out of time. I really appreciate your taking out time for us. In fact, also joining us is Deepak Bajpai with inputs from the ground, and we have a guest in the studio, telecom expert, Mr. Ravi Vishweshwarya Prasad. Going to Deepak first. Deepak, on 17th of December, the Subramaniam Swamy will get to examine these two witnesses. Of course, he'll have to appear himself in the witness box first, as he had clearly mentioned in that statement of his to the media. But those two witnesses, how important or how key really are they in deciding whether Chidambaram will be made a co-accused or be probed?
Well, Shruti, there was a lot of confusion in the court because in the beginning, when the judge came, he said, Mr. Subramaniam Swamy, your application is allowed. And after that, he put a rider So all of us came out of the court explaining this thing that the plea has been allowed. That means the witnesses will be called in and they will be examined by Subramaniam Swamy. But now the factual position is that the judge has said the application has been allowed, but you will have to. Means Subramaniam Swamy will have to appear in the court as a witness on 17th of December, and he will examine himself, put forward his case, and will also explain why summoning these two witnesses is necessary for the case to go forward. If he successfully does that, then only court will summon these two witnesses, otherwise not. So now interpretation of this order by Subramaniam Swamy is that once he explains his case as a witness, the court might not find it necessary to summon those two witnesses and directly summon Chidambaram. So that is one explanation of it, but at the same time, the another interpretation of the order is that the court might not be convinced with what Dr. Swamy says as a witness in the witness box, and these two witnesses might not be examined by him. So now the factual position is that Mr. Swamy will appear in the court on 17th of December as a witness and put forward his case and also explain why summoning of these two witnesses is important.